Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make low-fat mango lassi or low-fat mango yogurt smoothie. You can serve this for breakfast, lunch or dinner, and it is a very filling and low-calorie smoothie. To make mango lassi, I have roughly chopped one medium-sized Alfonso mango which weighed about 200 grams. This was the size of the mango I used. Half cup ice cubes, 1/4 cup skimmed milk, 1 cup skimmed yogurt or homemade curd, 3 cardamoms. I'll be using the seeds. Into my blender, I'm adding in 1 cup of skimmed yogurt or homemade curd, 1/4 cup of skimmed milk, half cup of ice cubes. I like to use ice cubes because that makes the lassi very chilled. If you're not using ice cubes, you can refrigerate the lassi for about an hour and then use. But if you're going to use it immediately, I suggest you to use ice cubes. Now add in the cardamom seeds and the roughly chopped mangoes. I'm not using sugar for this mango lassi because I want to make this as low calorie and as healthy as possible. But if you prefer, you can use 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Now pour the blended mango lassi into a serving glass. Garnish it with a sprig of mint leaves and serve immediately.
Hi, I'm Lisa from Vegan.net, and today I'm going to show you how to make a basic green smoothie. Now what we have is 1 cup of cruelty-free milk, we have 2 leaves of kale, and we have 1 frozen banana. So all we're going to do is put that in a blender and make some noise. You can use any type of milk you like. You can have hemp milk, brown rice milk, soy milk, macadamia milk. And then I've got frozen banana, and then I'm just going to tear the kale up a bit here before we put it in. I'm going to put the lid on top, and then I'm just going to select smoothie on my BlendTech blender, and then I'm going to press start. Okay, that's our green smoothie. Very simple. You could add something like dates or something sweet if you like sweeter. I like just as is. That'll make just under a cup, and that's a really simple green smoothie for you. Hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you look at our other videos and see Vegan.net for more.
Hi friends, welcome back to the Pragmatic Lupa. We all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so be sure you make it right with these 5 amazing smoothie recipes. Using all natural ingredients you probably already have at home. What you'll see today are the basic recipes. Feel free to include or exclude things as per your liking or what's available in your kitchen as per seasonal fruits. Smoothies are excellent ways to sneak in veggies in your diet, as with these recipes you will not even taste them, and amp up its nutritional value by adding healthy seeds like chia seeds or protein powder, and the list is endless. So what are you guys waiting for? Let's get rolling for a healthy and delicious week. As a bonus, I'll share few tips at the end for making a flawless smoothie experience. Though you can notice throughout the video as well. Let's see how observant are you guys. When you wanna get into a race with the rest, your breakfast need to be better. Who said to kick off Monday blues? You need something blue. To set you for the week, it's time to add some healthy awesomeness to your diet. So here comes your wholesome orange Monday smoothie. Check out the ingredients in the description box as well. Pour in the liquid first, that's half cup orange juice. I prefer fresh, no need of any juicer. Simply use the back of a spoon to squeeze out all of its goodness. You can always use store-bought ones, just make sure added sugar is minimal. Then dump half cup Greek yogurt for protein. Top it up with frozen fruits, 1 peeled and frozen orange, half peach peeled and frozen, 1 shredded carrot to make it a more wholesome breakfast. Half cup peeled and frozen papaya. Cover with a lid and blend them well to a smooth paste-like consistency. And voila, it's done. Garnish with some more shredded carrots and enjoy your wholesome Monday. Then comes our radiant Red Tuesday smoothie for the vibrant glow to keep you fresh and nourishing from within by providing the much needed hydration to beat the summer heat. Details of the ingredients is provided in the description box. Start with half a cup of fresh pomegranate juice, half cup Greek yogurt, half a banana sliced and frozen, half cup frozen raspberries, half cup frozen strawberries, 1 cup watermelon cubes. Blitz for a smooth consistency smoothie. And garnish with some fresh pomegranate seeds, and you are set for a radiant Tuesday. By midweek, when you need something interesting and motivating to get going through rest of the week, what else can be better than this bright and beautiful treat for your eyes, Wednesday Yellow Tropical Twist, which tastes equally good as well. Drop in half a cup of fresh pineapple juice, half cup Greek yogurt for much needed protein, with half a banana frozen and sliced, half cup frozen pineapple cubes, half cup peeled and frozen mango cubes, and half a teaspoon grated ginger. Cover the lid and blend it well, and with some more mango cubes and mint leaves for the added visual effect, you are good to go with your tempting tropical Wednesday. By the time we reach Thursday, most of us are drained out. To amp up our energy, boost your diet with none other than much needed food rich in antioxidants to liven you up. Here comes your purple Very Berry Thursday. Pour in half a cup cranberry juice, half cup Greek yogurt, half a banana sliced and frozen, half cup frozen blackberries, 1 plum frozen and diced, 1 cup frozen blueberries. Blitz it well to this smooth consistency and garnish with a sprig of mint, and get going for your Berry Thursday. It's always better to prepare yourself, as in cleanse your body, before you plan an indulgent weekend. Best to have something clean, something healthy, yet something delicious. Then it ought to be something green. Here comes our clean and green Friday smoothie. Whenever possible, I prefer to sneak in veggies in my smoothies. Let's start with half a lime or lemon juice. Dump in half a cup Greek yogurt for much needed protein, 1 diced avocado, half a green apple frozen and diced, half cup peeled and frozen kiwis, half a banana sliced and frozen, handful of any greens. Mine has baby spinach, chopped kale and few mint leaves. Blitz them well. Trust me, you won't even taste the greens at all. Garnish with a slice of kiwi and enjoy your green and delicious Friday. Now, as I mentioned before, as a bonus, I'll share some tips for a smooth smoothie making. Hope you noticed I added liquid into the blender first, which aids in the blending process. Second, I use frozen fruits, which I freeze them myself. A video is coming up soon on how you can freeze them at home, instead of using ice cubes, which would in turn make your smoothies watery and not so delicious. Third, I use Greek yogurt over regular one to keep my smoothies thick so I can even scoop it out with a spoon. If you prefer a thinner consistency, use regular yogurt. Last but not the least, if you are not a morning person like me, or even for others who find it difficult to cook in the morning, as part of your meal prep, you can pre-package your fruits in a freezer-safe Ziploc bag in advance, so your morning breakfast would be just a cakewalk. If you guys like it, give it a big thumbs up. Do let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section below, or can mention any of your requests. As always, get subscribed if you aren't already for more such yumminess. Check out other healthy recipes on my channel. See you soon in my next video. Till then.
Guys, I've been getting a massive amount of requests for my green juice recipes, so here it is. First thing we're going to need is 1 cucumber, sliced or chopped. Then we have 1 bunch of cilantro. This is just like a handful, it's not an entire bunch. You could also use parsley or mint. Then we are going to need 2 to 3 cups of greens. So this is mixed greens that I got from the market, but you could use spinach or kale or any other type of green that you like. We're also going to need a thumb of ginger, so this one is about 2 inches in size. Then we're going to need 3 apples, so these ones are golden delicious. I would not recommend this variety. They're very, very soft. They always kind of get stuck in my juicer and I have to pour water through it. The best types of apples are Granny Smith apples or hard apples. Then we have 3 to 4 stalks of celery. I just chop them like this again because of my juicer, the way that it works. I have to chop it into tiny little pieces, but if you have a centrifugal juicer, you can just shove the whole stalk in there and it will juice perfectly fine just like that. Then I use this lemon juice. I use this bottled stuff instead of straight lemons because organic lemons are ridiculously expensive in Minnesota, so I just use this organic pressed lemon juice. So I just quickly wanted to talk about juicers and my juicer because you guys are always asking me about it. I use an Omega VSJ843Q. Now, I'm not an expert on juicers or anything like that. I recommend the channel discountjuicers.com by John Kohler. If you are looking into buying a juicer or you want to know which ones are best and fit your budget the best for you, then I would highly, highly recommend going to his channel. I will leave the link below and you guys can check that out. So now I'm just going to be adding all of my ingredients into my juicer. If you do have a juicer like mine that's a vertical masticating juicer or a masticating juicer, what you want to do is rotate the ingredients. So you'll want to put like your apples in, then your celery in, then your greens, and then keep rotating them to push everything through in a nice manner. If you have like a centrifugal juicer, like a Breville juice fountain or something like that, you're also going to kind of want to do this process. So you're going to want to do your greens and then kind of do your watery apples and cucumbers after to push everything through. So once it's done, this makes about 900 milliliters of juice or about 30 ounces. So what I do is I just take my lemon juice, I take a glass jar, this is a just quart mason jar, and I just pour my juice into the jar and then I top it off with a little bit of the lemon juice. So I leave about 1/4 of a cup at the top and then I just top it off with my jarred lemon juice and cap it with a top. And this is pretty much good for about 3 days in the fridge if you have a masticating juicer. If you have a centrifugal juicer, it's probably only going to be good for about a day, but I make this pretty much every morning, drink it right away. I love this juice. It's my favorite juice in the world. If you guys want more recipes, go to our website, rawtoolnever.com, and there's tons of other